Okay, wait a minute. Okay, here. So, last Monday, Kong, we answered this one over here, right? Do you remember?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay, we answered this one over here. So today we are going to move forward to the next page, which is this one over here. So it says, read the story and then circle the correct words. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, can you please read the story, Ko?
I walked to the castle slowly. My feet hurt because be- because I didn't have any boots or shoes on.
Good job. Okay. Next.
When I got to the castle, I bought a big lemon ice cream because I was hot and hungry.
Good job. I was hot and hungry. Next.
But then, because I I held it carefully.
Mm-hmm. You really think so? Okay. Because I held it carefully, I dropped it.
Mm,
Is it?
yeah.
Mm-hmm. Really? Did Dan hold the ice cream proper carefully?
Um,
Oh,
um,
Look at the picture. Because I blank it carefully, I dropped it.
um, um,
Mm-hmm.
but then, because I didn't hold it carefully, I dropped it.
Okay, good job. As you can see here, Kong, there's a yellow color ice cream on the floor. So it means Dan did not hold the ice cream carefully. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, next. I was.
I was angry after that. I sat down on a seat inside the castle because I was really tired after my long walk. I went to
Long
sleep
walk.
and had a dream. In my
Okay.
dream, a monster came into the castle, looked me, and then shouted something very loudly.
Lovely. Okay.
I was surprised, but
Mm-hmm.
I wasn't frightened
Good
because
job.
the
But I was.
monster smiled at me. He took me into the castle kitchen and gave me more lemon ice cream in a huge pink bowl.
Good job.
I I
Mm-hmm. Next.
dropped I dropped my ice cream on the
Uh-huh.
dropped my ice cream on the floor again because I sat on a seat and ate it slowly. I was It was the best ice cream in the world.
Okay, good job. Can you please read this one again, Kong? Look at me. Kong, this part, Kong, can you please read this one again? Oh, no, no, wait, wait. This one, Kong. Oh, wait a minute, Kong. Can you please read this one again, Kong?
I can see.
This one. In the black line.
I can see.
You can see it? Okay, wait a minute. I'll gonna unshare it and then I'm gonna share it back again to you. That one, can you see it now? The black line?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Yeah. And
Mm-hmm.
look at me.
Yeah, looked at me. And then
And
this
then
one, this word. Next, shouted.
shouted.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I think. Mm-hmm. Okay, that's it only. Okay, good job, Kong. You answer all the question correctly. But let's try to read again the story. This time, you're gonna read it with your answers, okay?
Yes.
Okay, so can you please read the title first?
Then straight to the castle.
Mm-hmm.
I walked to the castle slowly. My feet hurt because I didn't have any boots or shoes on. When I got to the castle, I bought a big lemon ice cream because I was hot and hungry. But then, because I didn't hold it carefully, I dropped it. I was angry. After that, I sat down on a seat inside the castle because I was really tired after my long walk. I went to sleep and had a dream. In my dream, a monster came into the castle, looked at me, and then shouted something very loudly. I was surprised, but I wasn't frightened because the monster smiled at me. He took me into the castle kitchen and gave me some more lemon ice cream in a huge pink bowl. I didn't drop my ice cream on the floor again because I sat and sit and ate it slowly. It was the best ice cream in the world.
Okay, good job. Can you say this word again, Kong? Shoes on.
Shoes on.
Yeah, with the letter Z sound at the end, Kong. Shoes on.
Shoes on.
Okay, and can you say this one again? Ate it slowly.
Ate it slowly.
Okay, one more time. Ate.
Ate.
Okay, good job. That's it, Kong. So next one over here. Let's gonna read the mover's tip. Can you please read the mover's tip, Kong?
Adding adjectives like tired, hungry, angry, and adverbs like quickly, slowly to stories make them a lot more exciting and interesting. You should use them when you tell stories to get good marks.
Okay, good job, Kong. Now, can you still remember what adjectives and adverbs are? Kong, do you still remember what adjectives is? An adverb? Kong,
Yeah,
do you still remember what is adjective and adverb?
yeah.
What is adjective again, Kong?
Adjective is tired, hungry, angry.
Yeah. Those are the example of adjective. But do you know what's the meaning of adjective? Do you still remember what is it? What it is?
Thirsty, thirsty.
That's the example of what they call this one. That's the example of adjectives. But what's the meaning of adjective? Do you still remember it?
No.
Quite. Okay, so when we say adjectives again, Kong, adjective, it describes
Adjective describes the
what? What do the adjective describe? For example, here, Kong, I will give you a sentence over here. It says, Kong is tired. Where is the adjective again?
Adjective describes the adverb.
No. No. I give you a sample sentence, Kong. Kong is tired. Where is the adjective?
Adjective is tired.
Okay, so what tired describe? Who tired describe? Who's tired? Ko? In this sentence, who is tired? Ko? In this sentence, in this sentence over here, it says Kong is tired. The adjective is tired. But who is tired again, Kong? Who is tired?
Me.
Kong, yeah. And what is the word Kong? Is it a noun, a pronoun, a verb, an adjective, an adverb? What? A noun. So adjective describes
the noun.
Good job. Okay, so adjective describes the noun. How about the adverbs?
The adverb
Adverb describes the what? Adverb describes the, if adjectives Kong describes the noun, adverb describes the what? Adverbs describes the what? It's in the word already. It's in the word adverbs. Adverbs. So what do adverbs describe? Describe the
verb.
Good job. Okay, that's it. Describe the verb. Okay, can you give me an example, Kong, using adverbs with verb? Can you give me an example sentence?
I sometimes read comic books.
Where is the adverbs?
Is.
No, adverb is only a verb.
Yeah.
No. Is only a verb, but where is the adverb in your sentence?
The verb is sometimes.
Okay, one more time. Can you say your sentence again?
I sometimes read comic book.
I sometimes read the comic. I sometimes read a comic book. Okay. Where is the adverb here, Kong?
The adverb is sometimes.
Yeah, the adverb is sometimes. And where is the verb?
The verb is read.
Okay, good job, Kong. Okay, next, let's proceed to our next activity over here. It says here you need to answer some questions. Okay, so first question, Kong. Can you please read number 1 question, Kong?
I can see.
You can't see it? Okay, 1 minute.
Can you swim under the water?
Can you swim under the water, Kong?
No, I can't.
No. No, you can't. Don't you like...
And yes, I can.
Okay, what's your true answer? Can you swim underwater? What's your answer?
Yes, I can.
Yes. Yeah, let's put some adverb here, Kong. Adverb. Yes, I can
Swim under the water.
Where's the adverb? No adverb. You have to put adverb.
Yes.
Like, yeah, adverb here is quickly, slowly, like that.
Slowly.
Okay, so one more time. I can swim slowly under. Okay, this. Okay. I can swim slowly under the water. Okay, good job, Kong. Next question. Oh, wait. Number 2. Can you please read it, Kong?
Are you good at running?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yes, are you good at running?
Yes, I am.
Yes, okay. So, how should we write it over here, Kong? Are you good at running? Yes.
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am good.
Good at running.
Good at running. Okay. Do you join marathon, Kong?
No.
No, but you know what marathon is. Like, it's a competition for running.
No.
Have you ever tried joining a competition about running?
No.
No, not yet. Okay, so you're just good at running. Okay, third question, Kong.
Can you cook rice or noodles? I can cook. Yes, I can cook noodles.
Noodles only? You don't know how to cook rice?
I can cook rice and noodles.
Really?
Yes.
Kong? Okay, yes, I can cook rice and, let's gonna say and
noodles.
And noodles. Okay. So yes, I can cook rice and noodles. Aside from rice and noodles, Kong, what are other dishes that you can cook? Kong?
Honey. I only can cook rice and noodles.
Only these two? Yes. Okay, so let's proceed to number 4, Kong.
Do you eat quickly or slowly? I eat quickly.
I eat quickly. Like how quick? How quick? Like, for example, if you're going to eat lunch, how many minutes are you going to eat your lunch?
I think it's 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Oh, that's really, really fast. Okay, so next question, Kong. Number 5, Kong.
I can't see.
You can see it?
Yes.
Number 5? Okay, wait a
Yes.
minute. I'm gonna... Okay, wait a minute. I'm gonna stop sharing it and then I'm gonna share it again, okay?
No, I can't. Yes.
Ah. Oh, I'm sorry. You said you can't see it. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, how about that?
Can you clap really loudly? No, I can't.
No, I can't. Let's write it completely, Kong. No, I can't.
Clap really loudly.
I can't clap really loudly. Okay, good job, Kong. Next, number 6, last number.
Are you good at counting in English? Are you Are you good at counting in English?
Okay. So what's your answer?
No. No,
Really?
Yes, no.
No, I'm.
No, I'm not.
Next. No, I'm not.
Not good at counting in English.
No, I'm not good at counting in English. Like ouch, I'm sorry. Like how now, where can you, what do you call this one, count only? Like from 1 to 20, or you can count 1 to 100 in English?
I can count 1 to 100.
1 to 100, you can count 1 to 100?
Yes.
How about 1 to 1,000?
I can counting in Vietnam. Vietnamese.
You can count it in Vietnam, but in English you can't.
Yes, I can counting from 1 to 100.
How about this one, Kong? Try to read this one. I gave some example over here. Can you see it?
1,250.
See, you're good at counting in English. You can count it. So it's not a no, it's a yes. You're good at counting numbers in English. Okay? Okay, Kong. So, since this is the last part of this book, I will gonna send to you your homework, okay?
Yes.
Okay, so please answer this one because next meeting we are going to check this one, okay?
Yeah.
There are 3 parts, Kong, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so thank you so much, Kong, for listening today. See you on Friday.
Yes.
See you. Bye-bye, Kong.